An extreme heatwave is gripping northern Australia, and southeastern capitals are set to see their hottest day so far this summer, with elevated fire dangers and storms thrown into the mix. Heatwaves are Australia's deadliest natural hazard and occur when maximum and minimum temperatures are unusually high over a 3-day period. Heatwaves are part of every Australian summer, including this one, even though we are in a La Nina period. We're currently looking at low to severe intensity heatwave conditions for parts of Western Australia, the Northern Territory and Queensland as well. But if we step through the next few days, this heatwave signal becomes even stronger, reaching extreme levels for parts of Cape York Peninsula and northern WA. And it's through these areas where minimum temperatures aren't really dipping below 30 degrees, which does pose a health risk to communities and healthy people as well, who do need to take the proper health precautions. And with all heatwave does come elevated fire dangers. On Thursday, the focus will be across Western Australia, with gusty winds and maximum temperatures climbing well into the 40s. We'll see severe to catastrophic fire danger conditions through inland parts. Thankfully, though, across the southwest, we aren't seeing dangerous fire weather conditions, where communities have been impacted by bushfires quite recently, particularly across the Margaret River area. On Friday, severe fire dangers for parts of South Australia, including the Mount Lofty Ranges. And then on Saturday, we see severe fire dangers for parts of Victoria and southern New South Wales. Be sure to check conditions for your area and follow all advice from the local fire agency as well. So how hot will it get? On Thursday, maximum temperatures well into the 40s for large parts of Western Australia, the Northern Territory and Western Queensland as well, and into the high 30s across southern WA and South Australia. On Friday, the heat builds across South Australia, and Adelaide is expected to see its hottest day since February. On Saturday, that'll be the peak day across the southeast, with Canberra, Melbourne and Sydney all set to peak above 30 degrees, even into the high 20s across Hobart, but as you can see, plenty of heat extending well back into Western Australia. On Sunday though, thankfully some relief for the southeast with a cold front coming through, but across Western Australia, forecasting 49 degrees at Marble Bar in the Pilbara. It will be an absolutely scorching day there. So all this heat and instability, we are expecting to see quite a few storms pop up as well, mainly affecting the east coast over the next few days. We could see some warnings issued, but thankfully nothing quite as severe or significant as what we've seen over the past few days. So with heat and fire dangers increasing over the next few days, be sure to take the proper precautions, don't forget your pets, and please stay safe.